Hey guys, in this video I just want to quickly show you how to remove ink cartridges from this Canon Maxify printer. Unfortunately, they are built to, if the cartridges are still with some ink, the printer will not allow you to replace the ink cartridge, but you do want to do that sometimes, maybe to refill your refillable ink cartridge, or maybe you think the print quality is not as good and you just want to go ahead and replace your cartridge. To do that, turn off your printer and then open this front cover and then turn the printer on. As soon as your carrier slides over from the locked position, go ahead and unplug the printer. Now at this point, your carrier is ink carrier, or the print head is unlocked, where it's going to be, you're going to be able to move it back and forth. It is very important that you move it very slowly to avoid any short circuiting of the print head or any other parts such as the main board. Then when you know this is moving freely, there is a gear that you need to find on the left side. Is this upper gear right here, and what you'll need to do is just turn it clockwise, and you're going to turn it you can reach with your hand and do that. So I'm sorry about blocking the view, but you will now hear the click. I'm gonna just turn it in a clockwise position. There we go, you hear the click. That means the engagement of this mechanism right here is ready to press the button so the ink cartridge slides out. Align the print head. So with the cartridge that you want to remove, so in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and do that for the yellow one. I'm going to align it for that slot and then press this button. There you go. Now if you move it over and try removing the next one, it will work. And if it doesn't, just go ahead and do the spin that gear again. But so far I was able to remove 2 cartridges. Here's the third, and I was able to remove all of them basically. So go ahead and close the cartridge door, turn your printer on. When the printer turns on, you'll see a message saying that the printer was shut off the wrong way. At one point before this is the message that says that the ink cartridges are missing. So all you need to do is open the front cover and just install cartridges one by one. You can see that the mechanism moved over by itself, and you're just going to go ahead and install one by one, or whatever cartridge that you removed. In my case, it's all 4, so it's going to ask for the yellow one first. And it's a basic standard cartridge installation process, where you're going to press next on the screen, and it's going to go move over for the next one. So that's how you replace the ink cartridges on the Canon Maxify printers before the ink cartridges are out, or if you just want to do that without waiting for the printer to command you on it. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment with your questions or comments in the section below, and have yourself a great day.